Okay, so mas naman mo no. So karon kwanta science no. So natay studyhan no question and answers lang no. So I know familiar na mo ani no ni ginaagihan na ninyo ng mga topics no. So materials that absorb water, materials that float and sink, materials that undergo decay, effects of decaying materials to one's health, interpreting product level. So mao na itong mga hisgutan no. So ang mga questions ani na mga 20 questions no nga gikan ani na mga topics. Okay, so start ta. Okay, so una nga question is what is the process of decaying in certain materials like liquids? So sa man. So answer na absorption. Okay, so absorption happens when a material takes in liquids like water. It depends on the absorbing material and the liquid being absorbed. Okay, so sunod no, which of the following materials is absorbent? So asa man diha sa ila upat no, sponge, glass, metal, plastic. So ang absorbent diha kanang letter A, sponge. Okay, so a sponge is one of the most abundant materials. It has a porous surface which allows water to enter and occupy its empty spaces inside. So, di ba, ako mo na ito ginagamit ng sponge no, sa pagpanghugas ng plato, di ba? Then, how does water get into the absorbent material? Okay, so ang answer diha letter A, no? Water gets into the material through its tiny holes on its surface. So, no, absorbent materials are porous or have tiny holes on its surface. No, the water is absorbed through its pores. So, kanang mga absorbent materials, no, ma masuyop nila ng tubig because na sila ay mga tiny holes. Okay, without looking at a certain material, how will you know if it is porous? So, saan man mo pagkahibalo kung ang material porous siya, no? Sa unang tanaw pa lang nimo daan. A, when you touch it, it is smooth and feels hard. B, when you touch it, it is rough because of its holes. C, when you touch it, it is rough because of its edges. D, when you touch it, it is smooth and feels slippery. So, ang answer diya, when you touch, it is rough because of its holes. So, okay, a porous material is usually rough because of its pores. It may be hard or soft or has a regular shape, but definitely it has tiny holes on its surface. Next, your baby sister is crying. No, you notice that her diaper is soggy already. What could happen if the diaper of your baby sister will not be removed and replaced? So, sa may nang buhaton. A, the diaper will be soggy to absorb your baby sister pee, which will make her feel irritated and cry more. B, the diaper will dry eventually and your baby sister will stop from crying. C, the diaper will dry as soon as your baby sister stops crying. Or D, the diaper will become wet because of your baby sister's tears. So, the diaper will be soggy to absorb your baby sister's pee, which will make her feel irritated and cry more. So kung na-observe ninyo ang mga bata no kung basa na ilang diaper no sige na sila no gahila. Okay no and the diapers are used to absorb urine of babies without changing it too often. However, use of diapers may cause skin irritation to babies since the urine will be in contact with the skin for a long time. So mo na sila ma-irritate ng bata mo nang makahilak sila. Okay, next, know what happens to a material that sinks? So, naman. So, the answer of that is C, no, it goes to the bottom of the container, no? For example, ang coin, no? For example, ang piso, imo nang ihagbong dito sa balde, di ba? Mo kuan gina siya, mo ato gina siya sa ubos, okay? Mo sink na siya largo. Okay, which of the following materials will sink fastest in water? So asa man ana nila no kana ng mga materials, cotton, marble, feather, cork, asa man dia ang mas paspas nga mo sink dito sa water no pag ibuhian sila dito sa water no. So ang answer dia ang marble. Okay, kaya ang marble mas bugat-bugat siya. Okay? No, explanation of marble is denser than water, thus it will sink in water. It is also the densest compared to a cotton, feather, and cork. Therefore, it will sink the fastest in water. Okay, why does canned food do not decay easily? Kanang mga canned food, no? Kanang nasa mga lata, ng mga food, no? Basta ng sardinas, tinapa, corned beef o guban pa no. So why? Nganong dili man sila ma-decay easily no. So may explanation ana or sa may dapat na to sa may choice sa may atong pilion diha. A, it has preservatives that delay the decay of food inside the can. B, it has plenty of food inside that microorganisms cannot fit in it. C, it has cooler temperature in which microorganisms cannot grow. D, it has warmer temperature that kills microorganisms. Okay, so the answer is it has preservatives that delay the decay of food inside the can. Okay, so dili pasabot nga dili mapanos or ma-expired ang mga dilata nga mga pagkaon no. Ma-expired gyapon sila pero dugay-dugay pa no because sa preservatives. Okay, so ang explanation na no, ang preservatives are chemical substances added to food and beverages to delay the decay process no. Most canned food have high preservatives so that they will not decay fast. So nay nakabutang niya ano to delay the decay process. So madelay ang iyahang pagka-decay ba no. For example, ang sardinas no. For example, isda man na siya. Okay, ang isda kung dili na nimo na ibutang sa ref, so dali na siya mapanos no within 2 to 3 days. Pwede na siya madubok. Okay, compared to the fish nga compare nimo sa mga for example fish nga nasa sardinas, kinabot nga sila preservatives no, mula sila mga 1 year or 2 years no. Kay tungod sa preservatives. Okay, which of the following materials undergo decay? Sa mandiha sa ilaha, plastic, cotton, metal, rubber. So answer dia B, cotton. Okay, materials coming from living things such as plants and animals undergo decay. Cotton came from plants, thus cotton undergoes decay. So mga materials daw nga gikan sa living things no mo undergo na siya og decay. Okay? Okay, you are hungry and saw in the pantry a loaf of bread. You notice the bread has a blackish green patch with powdery white material on its surface. No? Should you still eat it? Kaunon pa ba nimo? A, no, because it is beginning to rot. B, maybe because it did not change its smell. C, yes, because it is still fresh. Or D, yes, it has added nutrients due to change in color. Okay? So, saman, ang answer dia, no. No? Ayaw na kauna ng no, nang na-notice na nimo nga blackish green patch with a powdery white material on its surface no kung ana say mga ingon ana no. So sabaga pa bread that changes its color and forms black or green patches beginning to rot no. Eating that food is about to rot no, is not good for one's health no. So kung ingon ana na ang ihang forma so dili na nimo na sa kauno no. Okay, which of the following insects is unlikely to be found in a dump site? So unlikely no kanang dili nimo makita dito sa dump site no. Cockroach, fly, butterfly, mosquito. Okay, so ang dili nato makita gid diha ang presence gid aning butterfly. So parang siguro kung naamang gani butterfly parang sarapod no nga makita nimo sa mga dam site. Okay? So mostly ang makita nato diha mosquito, kanang mga langaw no and din mga cockroach no mostly makita na sila sa dam site. Okay, what do flies and other insects get when they land on decaying matter found in garbage? So, saman, no? A, they get germs that carry diseases. B, they get water that hydrates them. C, they get vitamins that are helpful to humans. D, they get diseases that cause them to die. Oh, saman. So, they get germs that carry diseases. So kanang mga for example langaw no nga gikan sa basurahan na human ni adto sa pagkaon no kay no sa pagkaon na then nanungtong dito ang langaw so possibly nga nagdala to sila og germs no dito sa pagkaon no gikan man sila sa basura na ning dapo sila no ning tugtong dito sila sa pagkaon no so probably pwede magkasakit tong mga mukaon na to, no? Kay gikan man sila, no? Langaw, gadala man sila germs, no? Gikan sa hugaw na gitungtong pagid nangadto pagid sila sa pagkaon. Diba? So mao na siyang importante ang pagbugaw sa for example ng mga flies, no? Na dili makatugdong dito sa mga pagkaon, no? Importante itong mga food cover, no? Okay, which of the following garbage should be thrown in a biodegradable trash bin? So, asa man nila diha. So, ang tissue paper. Okay. Okay. Tissue paper, like any other paper, came from trees after processing. It is considered as an organic material since it came from trees. Therefore, it is biodegradable. So, dito ana nimo ilabay na no kanang paper, tissue paper dito na nimo ilabay sa biodegradable nga trash bin. Okay. Which of the following parts of the product label tells up to when it can be used? So asa man diha A, selling date, B, manufacturing date, C, expiration date, D, production date. So, ang expiration date, no? Ang expiration date, no? Similar to manufacturing date, expiration date is also indicated in a product label. It shows up to what date can the product be used, no? So kung kanusa lang tong produkto, taman, okay? For example, taman ra siya November 3, 2021. So pag biyana na nga pizza or biyana na nga adlaw or biyana na nga pizza lagi, so expired na siya nga pagkaon. Okay? So mo na siya no at gidapat ato nang ginatan-aw sa mga food na atong ginapalitan no mostly sa mga kanang mga dilata nga mga pagkaon. Okay, why is reading the ingredients of a certain product important to your health? No, nga naman. A, it allows you to find out how a certain product is different from another product. B, it allows you to see if the ingredients are worth your money. C, it lets you know if there are ingredients that are edible so you can taste the product. D, it lets you know if there are active ingredients in it that you are allergic with. So, saman, no, nganong importante manggid kayo ang pagbasa sa ingredients sa produkto or before ka mo palit o before ka mo palit sa item, no, why is it important to read, no? To read the ingredients no, sa tong content ana nga product. So the answer is letter D, no? It lets you know if there are active ingredients in it that you are allergic with. The ingredients are the contents present in a certain product. Reading the ingredients of a certain product is important to one's health because it lets the user to know if there are active ingredients in it that may cause allergic reactions to them. Okay, so importante no nga basahon ang ingredients. Okay, ang ingredients sa usa ka product. Okay, basin og naay ingredient ana nga nga ikaw pod no allergic no nga pag makakaon ka na pwede na siya maka-affect no or lahi ang reaction sa imong lawas no, so na siya no, very important. Next, which of the following parts of the product label indicates the date when it was produced? So asa man diha so ang manufacturing date. No, manufacturing date is found in a product label. It tells the date when the product was produced or manufactured. Okay, no? Pareha na. Okay, it is used by the manufacturer to communicate important details to the consumer. Oh, saman. So, product label. Okay, why is reading the ingredients of a certain product important to your health? Okay, so burag na ni sa previous nga question no. Ang answer ani kay letter A. Letter A no, it lets you know if there are active ingredients in it that you are allergic with. Okay, so same explanation. Ay, is ma'am